Welcome to At Home with Music. You know, we all have those times when life seems especially challenging. And if you don't experience this, then I would venture to say that you may be living on a different planet. Maybe you've been dealing with financial hardships. Maybe you've been watching the news and have begun to feel as though events are spiraling out of control. Fear and anxiety threaten to overtake you. What do you do in times like that? You remember how it was during the height of the pandemic when we were all locked up in our homes? Well, music, it proved to be a valuable resource for reviving the human spirit. We saw people singing to each other from their balconies in Italy. Musicians began live streaming concerts from their living rooms. Family members sang to loved ones from outside nursing home windows. You know, during those days, I started sending out a daily email to a group of friends from my church. And every day, I shared with them music that I found uplifting and inspirational. And this eventually led to my starting At Home with Music. So, can music help you during these challenging times? I believe it most certainly can. Music serves to connect us. You know, there's a reason why we like to go hear music together. Like, we like to go to concerts. It's a communal experience. We become like a big family. When we gather to hear a performer or when we come together to sing, we become connected physically and emotionally. Music provides us with strength in hard times. When times are challenging, music can inspire us. I could spend a lot of time talking about how music can benefit your brain or affect your mood. But I suspect you already know this. You can find plenty of articles online about the mental and physical benefits of music, especially when you're going through rough times. You know, I remember a lady I used to work with during my first ever full-time job. This is way back in the 70s. I was working in the record section of a department store. This was back in the days of LPs. And she told me straight out that the music of Neil Diamond, of all people, had saved her life. She was down and depressed, and there was something about his music that served to lift her spirits and revive in her the desire to live. I would like to briefly share a few things that I found helpful, and then I want to hear from you. How has music helped you during difficult days? Is there a favorite type of music you use to lift your spirits? Maybe even the work of a specific artist or even a specific song. Now, I found it helpful to listen to music carefully. I put on a favorite piece and I really listen. I rarely use music as background noise. That could be because I'm a musician, but nevertheless, I use certain pieces of music to help me concentrate on something beautiful rather than the ugliness that I seem to see all around me. And then I also share my love of music and the mental and physical benefits it provides with others. That's one of the main reasons I continue to produce videos for At Home with Music, to share my love of music and to share with you all the benefits it can provide. I also create music. I play my favorite songs. I play in church every week. I write music. Well, how about you? How do you use music to bring about interchange? How has music helped you deal with troubled times? Well, here are some suggestions as to how you can use music to deal with troubled times, and I've borrowed some of these from an article in Psychology Today. First of all, you can create a playlist of songs that motivate you as you start each day. And then you can share that with friends and with loved ones. I love sharing music that I have found inspirational. And as I mentioned for myself, really listen to music. Don't just use it as background music, but listen deeply. And then listen to other people's favorite music as they share it with you. Sing along with the music. There are many benefits to singing, alone or in a group. It can activate many areas of the brain, alleviate anxiety, elevate endorphins. Learn to relax to music. It can be incredibly helpful in stress management, particularly if it's your own individual preference. So, what kind of music relaxes you? Now, for me recently, it's been the second movement of Beethoven's Piano Sonata number 32. You need to check it out. That's music that can practically take you to heaven. You can make music. This is why I teach people how to make music on their own by learning the basics of keyboard. Make music by yourself. Make music with others. That's why I teach what I do here at home with music. These may be challenging times, but I believe that music can help you cope. And so take advantage of that fact. And let me know in the comments how music has helped you during these challenging times. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I look forward to speaking with you in the next one.